Hi. Welcome to Lead Seeds B2B Sales and Marketing courses. Today, let us show you the best practices for social media writing and planification. Let's get started. Social media is an important channel in digital marketing. Twitter is a microblogging platform that allows users to send short messages called tweets. It's a great platform to share real-time updates, breaking news, and engage with a community of users. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that allows users to connect with colleagues, peers, and potential employers. It's a great platform to showcase professional accomplishments, establish thought leadership, and build relationships with industry leaders. Understanding the demographics of each platform will help you tailor your content and messaging to best reach your target audience. Twitter has a diverse user base, with a majority of users between the ages of 18 and 49. LinkedIn, on the other hand, is heavily skewed towards working professionals, with a majority of users being over 30 years old. Are you wondering how to develop a content strategy? First, creating valuable and engaging content is crucial for building a strong presence on social media. It helps to establish your brand's voice and personality, while also providing value to your followers. Knowing your target audience is also essential to creating content that resonates with them. On Twitter, you can use advanced search features to identify users who are talking about topics related to your business, and then engage with them by sharing relevant content. On LinkedIn, you can use the platform's advanced targeting features to reach specific groups of professionals based on job title, industry, and location. Finally, creating a mix of different types of content is important for keeping your followers engaged. On Twitter, you can mix up your content by sharing industry news, behind-the-scenes updates, and engaging with other users through polls and questions. On LinkedIn, you can share a mix of long-form content, like articles and white papers, along with shorter updates, like photos and videos. Now, we will see how to write effective posts for social media. Pay close attention to the writing of titles, captions, and descriptions. On Twitter, titles and captions should be short and to the point. Twitter's 280-character limit means you need to be concise, yet impactful. However, on LinkedIn, headlines and captions should be more detailed and informative than on Twitter. Use them to put the post in context and to make it clear what the user can expect to read. Use hashtags and emojis to increase visibility. Hashtags are a great way to increase the visibility of your tweets and reach a wider audience. Use relevant hashtags to make it easy for users to find your content. Emojis can help make your tweets more visually appealing and convey a message or emotion. Hashtags are less used on LinkedIn, but it's important to use them to reach a wider audience. Emojis can be used, but it is best to be more professional on this platform. It is also essential to create visually appealing posts. For this, use images, GIFs, and videos to make your tweets more appealing. You can also use Twitter cards. On LinkedIn, use high-quality images, videos, and infographics. You can also use LinkedIn's native video feature to create video posts. To optimize your posts, it is important to measure their success. First, you need to understand metrics. On Twitter, track metrics such as reach, engagement with likes, retweets, replies, and click-through rate, CTR, to measure the success of your tweets. And on LinkedIn, track metrics such as page views, engagement, likes, comments, shares, and website clicks to measure the success of your posts. Now you can analyze data to improve performance. On Twitter, use Twitter's built-in analytics to track the performance of your tweets over time. Look for patterns in engagement and reach to identify which types of content are resonating with your audience. On LinkedIn, use LinkedIn's Insights feature to track the performance of your posts over time. Look for patterns in engagement and reach to identify which types of content are resonating with your audience. Finally, perform A/B tests to optimize content. On Twitter, try out different types of content, headlines, and hashtags to see what resonates with your audience. Track metrics to identify which versions of your tweets performed the best. On LinkedIn, try out different types of content, headlines, and use of images and videos to see what resonates with your audience. Track metrics to identify which versions of your posts performed the best. Before we say goodbye, let me give you some advanced tips. To boost the visibility of your post, use paid advertising. On Twitter, use Twitter's advertising platform to reach a larger audience by promoting tweets and creating promoted accounts. You can target users based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. On LinkedIn, use LinkedIn's advertising platform to reach a professional audience by promoting posts and creating sponsored content. You can target users based on job title, industry, company size, and location. Leverage influencers and user-generated content. For Twitter, identify influencers in your industry and try to build relationships with them by engaging with their content and sharing their tweets. Also, you can encourage your followers to share their own experiences with your brand by using a specific hashtag. For LinkedIn, identify thought leaders in your industry and try to build relationships with them by engaging with their content and connecting with them. Also, you can leverage user-generated content by sharing testimonials and success stories from your customers. Stay up to date with the latest social media trends and features. On Twitter, keep an eye on new features and updates such as polls, live streaming, and fleets. On LinkedIn, keep an eye on new features and updates such as LinkedIn Stories and LinkedIn Learning. Thanks for listening. Do not hesitate to share your thought with us. If you want to improve audience engagement, collect valuable data, and offer a win-win approach while streamlining your business processes, give LeadSeed a try. Upgrade your content and improve your business with LeadSeed.